Topaz Workbench 1951 replaces the Compuware editor with a family of editors known as the Topaz editors. With this introductory release of the Topaz editors, it is still expected that users should use the Compuware editor powered by SlickEdit for copybook resolution and program analysis. However, we are committed to rapidly making this family of Topaz editors the premier editors for source code editing of mainframe artifacts. Let's take a quick look at what's available in July with the COBOL editor. You can set the Topaz COBOL editor to be your default editor for COBOL programs, or you can choose it using the right-click selection. The first thing you notice is that it generates a streamlined outline view, allowing you to quickly identify key areas and navigate to those areas within the program. It also provides a level of control over columns 1 through 6 and 73 through 80. Using preferences, you can set IDs so that every changed line will be reflected with an ID in those columns. Or conversely, if your company no longer uses that approach, you can use the D-number option to clear those columns, either both 1 through 6 and 73 through 80 or one or the other. The Topaz COBOL editor in this initial release also provides a level of content assist. So if you type in a command and then control space, it'll give you templates that you can use to generate the rest of the command. And now you can use that to fill in identifier 1 and identifier 2 and build a move command. You can also use the templates view for a similar purpose. This will give you the list of the available templates based on where in your COBOL program you could put them. So for instance, if we wanted to use the template for the call statement, we could go into the procedure division, into this alphabetical division, select call, and then do right-click and insert. This will pop up a dialog box that we can then fill in. And it'll generate the desired call statement. These templates are extensible, so you could add your own commands to this list that your programmers could then leverage. Topaz Workbench Release 19.5.1 offers a rare ground floor opportunity. Join us and assist us in the journey to making the premier mainframe source code editing experience.